Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix PGA Tour not launching. It's easy. If you want to fix this problem, first click here and then go to enable Xbox game bar, make sure it's off, and then go to Windows Update settings. Now just install all the updates that you can find and go back, and then go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, make sure you have the latest updates, and that's it. After that your problem must be fixed, and don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.